Kevin Bludso's Ultimate Barbecue Cooking Class. Unleash your inner pitmaster with Kevin Bludso's Ultimate Barbecue Cooking Class. Learn barbecue from the King of BBQ himself. Embark on a flavorful adventure with Kevin Bludso, the legendary pitmaster known for his mouth-watering barbecue. Dive into Kevin's world and bring his signature recipes and easygoing techniques right into your home kitchen. What you'll learn: 50 years of barbecue secrets. Unlock Kevin's decades of experience and elevate your grilling game. Perfect reverse sear. Master the art of searing steaks to perfection. Infamous smoked brisket. Learn how to smoke Kevin's legendary brisket, Southern barbecue with an LA twist. Discover Kevin's cooking style and his grandma's secret collards recipe. Why Kevin Bludso? Raised between Compton, California, and Corsicana, Texas, Kevin Bludso's journey is a blend of rich heritage and culinary mastery. From his granny's barbecue stand to opening multiple locations worldwide, Kevin's story is as incredible as his barbecue. What awaits you? 15 lessons of low and slow Texas barbecue. Learn the family secrets and techniques that make Kevin Bludso a barbecue legend. Incredible recipes. Cook Kevin's food and see the joy on your loved ones' faces as they taste the world's greatest barbecue, made by you. Don't miss this chance to learn from the best. Get instant access now and transform your barbecue skills. Backhand index pointing right. Join Kevin Bludso's barbecue cooking class now.